Well, we're sitting here waiting for the hiking crew to get here at the Slade Rest area for another day of off-roading. Yesterday we hit, I think it was 1, 2, 3, 4, about 6 trails, and we off-roaded for like 9 hours, so we were all pretty wore out last night. So I didn't get any filming last night, but looks like we're going to have a good day. It's already like 10:30. The hikers wanted to go to a different campground and set up, and we're going to meet them here and go hit 3 or 4 trails today, so it should be fun. What do you say, girl? Y'all ready? Okay, we're starting out here on a trail, easy trail called Fixer-Lico. It goes over to New Virginia and comes out a little closer to where our target trails are for today. So stay tuned. It gets better and better as we go on. Well, we've stopped for lunch on the creek side here on Fixer-Lico Road, a beautiful spot. Okay, we're on Ross Creek Road, and which leads right into Pistol Creek Road, and these were some tough, fun trails, so I hope you enjoy. Stopped here for a second to pick up some trash and that was out in the middle of the trail, and just let you know I am the lead on these trails. John Carson drove by the exit for this, so I was last in line then. Now I'm first.
Yeah. guys, I'm trying a different line and we'll be a second. I hear some people coming side by sides.
Yeah, I hear them too. This is a fun trail. I like it. Yeah,
Four bikes
like
and a
it
quad
too.
are coming your way. Roger.
All right, we're pulled over. Maybe they can get around us.
We'll get a little ways.
Kind of watching for it. I think we got a massive hole here. I'm about to fall in it.
Hey, Eric, how would it look if I went left?
It's not bad.
This mud hole just looks inviting. Yeah, this is the split, Eric. So you're going the right way. Either that or you set us up.
This is.
Yeah, this is primo down here.
I'm not sure which way the trail goes from here. I'm going to get out a second.
Gotta check this big old winch up here. Smoke brake stringer.
Well, we've stopped at a beautiful spot on Pistol Creek. We've got some very famous YouTube people with us today. We're all out having fun. So we're about to go up this embankment and go around instead of going through the creek. We don't know which one's better, we're just going for it. Holly Sadie, come here.
Jeremiah.
Down in. do this a couple times on the trails, just stop and see which direction we need to go. Going to the left here would have meant a real close call as falling off an embankment, so we went to the right down an embankment into the creek and went on from there. So just precautionary stops to check the correct path since we had not been on this trail before. Yep.
Good luck finding that person. Robbie did pretty good. I don't know how new his Bronco was. Very new, but he's sweating bullets on this just because of all the bushes. This guy would have done it January of December 21st, but I came down here in January.
Well, I got mine in January 2022.
What was it?
You had went out to Colorado with I can't think his name, was it Gary or something like that?
David Gray. Yeah, he's back to the King.
Yeah, that's the one I seen, and started watching your channel then.
Oh yeah, man, that was a great trip. I was researching the driver's side bronc buster steering bushing and ran across Trail Hunter's video of install. No, your disclaimer was, I'm not a mechanic. I was like, okay, this guy's cool. And we met that following fall at the back to Byway ride.
I don't know if I've been on a better trail.
You definitely don't take much of it for granted because you're working it.
Okay, we're going to wrap it up here. We're still on Pistol Creek, almost finished with it. It's just in and out of the creek all the way through. Just beautiful. You need to get on this trail sometime. Apologize for some of the camera here. I had camera problems with one of my GoPros. And I will be back on this and do a better video of this for you guys. And appreciate you guys watching. I had fun with a great group of guys, a bunch of YouTube hiking guys, and John Carson. So go check them out. Jeremiah with Jeremiah Stringer Hikes, Jason with Backpacking with Jason, and Jeremy with All Things Outdoors. Go check them out on YouTube and Instagram, and of course John Carson with Central Kentucky Broncos, his Facebook group. Check him out, and really appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully we'll see you guys out there on the trails.